This is the LBV 300. This is our remotely operated vehicle. We're at the Stockton Marine and Environmental Field Station in Port Republic, New Jersey. And this is where Stockton students in biology, marine science, and environmental science have access to Great Bay and to the Atlantic Ocean. The shipwreck that we were out visiting today is the Patrice McAllister, and it is a tugboat that sank in 1976. It was on its way to be serviced. That was heading south, and a nor'easter sunk it, and it sunk intact on the bottom, and it sat there since that night. It had 3 decks and sat up quite high, and we had in the past looked at the Patrice McAllister because it is a so-called natural shipwreck as opposed to an artificial reef, and we've spent some time out on the artificial reefs looking at shipwrecks that were purposely placed there, and that was one of the sites that we would visit to compare with things that had been out for a very long time. We had some good data. We'd looked at the Patrice McAllister. We had sonar pictures of it, and from last season, and then we decided to look at it this season and noticed that there had been a rather dramatic change, which removed the upper decks from the shipwreck. Apparently, they had actually been completely torn off. We saw that on our sonar record, and we attributed it to Superstorm Sandy, which made landfall right at the Little Egg Inlet. And this wreck sits just 2 miles off the Little Egg Inlet. So on our sonar record, we noticed there was a change, and today we were able to go down with our ROV and survey the area. The reef looks pretty healthy, the reef ship, but it's interesting because it's lost quite a bit of structure. We don't know what that'll do to the production of fish or invertebrates on the wreck, so that's something that we're kind of looking into.